Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how you can add a manager to your YouTube channel. So let's start. First of all, you need to click on your YouTube channel icon, then go to setting. Now click on add or remove managers. Then you will get a window like this. Click on manage permissions, invite new users. Now you need to add your manager email address here. I am going to add an email address. Then you should choose a role from here. Here you will get three options: owner, manager, communication manager. I am going to add the manager. Then click on invite. Now the manager will get an email address from Google to accept your invitation. Like this. Click on accept invitation. Now click on accept. That's it. Now again click on manage permissions. Here you will see the manager name. Thanks for watching.